Jain students, let us learn the next subheading, Diversity of the Living World, under Chapter 1. All living organisms vary considerably in their form, structure, and mode of life. There are millions of living species. There are more than 1.7 to 1.8 million species described and several more to be discovered yet. The number of species of flora and fauna in a given geographical location is called biodiversity. How does biodiversity of a geographical location influences the classification of plant and animal species present in that location? The biodiversity of a geographical location may influence the classification in following ways. If there is rich biodiversity, then it means number of characters will be in plenty to study. More characters will give scientists more clues about possible variations. If a given geographical area is poor in biodiversity, then it becomes difficult to study more characters and is able to study only limited set of characters. Rich biodiversity means more resources and more reproduction, leading to increased competition for survival. This can lead to emergence of certain new variations. These variations can lead to the formation of new species. For example, discovery of a new frog species from the Himalayan region. As Himalayan region is rich in biodiversity, so it gives fertile ground for a new species to emerge. Nomenclature. Nomenclature is the process of giving names to the plants and animals. Two types of names have been given to organisms. They are common or vernacular names and scientific or binomial names, commonly called binomial nomenclature. Common or vernacular names. Common or vernacular names are given to the organisms in a particular language and region of the world where they are found. Advantages of common names. Common names are easy to learn, speak, and write. These names are familiar to the people since their childhood. These are short and simple. Drawbacks of common names. Multiplicity. Common names of the same group of animals or plants vary in different countries and also in different languages. Example, onion in English is piyaz in Hindi and Bengal. Vengayam in Tamil. Irulli in Kannada. Misleading. Some common names are misleading. Example, cuttlefish, jellyfish, silverfish, and starfish. These names seems to indicate that all of them are fishes. But a fish is a vertebrate with backbone, gills, and fins. But silverfish is an insect. Cuttlefish is a mollusk. Jellyfish is a coelenterate. and starfish is an echinoderm. Unscientific basis. Common names do not have any scientific basis. Example, they just indicate a superficial character as colored in blackbird. Habitat in the case of tree frog, water lily, and habitat in the case of flying fish. Different meanings. Common names may have different meanings in different countries. Example, corn is maize in USA, wheat in England, oats in Scotland. New names. A wrong or misleading common name cannot be easily corrected. Binomial nomenclature. Scientific names. In 1753, Carolus Linnaeus proposed the binomial system of nomenclature for giving the scientific name of plants and animals. He is called father of taxonomy. According to his system, plants or animals bear two names. The first is generic name and the second is specific epithet. He explained the system in his famous book Systema Naturae, published in 1758. The system of providing a name with two components is called binomial nomenclature. Example, scientific name of modern man is Homo sapiens. Onion is Allium cepa. Mango, Mangifera indica. Honeybee, Apis indica.